Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one way Great Dane, back with day 457 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare. 25 power points.
Super rare.
This is super rare of 100 coins.
Rare.
And a rare. Also 25 power points, so an okay opening. Again, Mega Pig starts tomorrow, so let me know if you guys are excited about that or not. Again, I'm kind of like moderately excited with ranked having the modifiers already. It just depends on what additional modifiers I might get while playing the Mega Pig. But again, it is a bit triggering to have to play so many matches to actually complete the Mega Pig for my club. So again, I do think they'll probably be making some changes to it in the future as well as PowerPoints. But again, we have Knockout 5v5, but nothing else really too special going on today. So let's head on over to the shop. We still have Dread Knight Draco for about 3 more days. $50 gem offer. Bake Sale Barley, Byron the Whites, both at 50% off. But again, they are epics you could potentially get for free in the Star Drop or just purchase with Bling, so it's up to you if you guys want it. Have daily freebie of 15 coins, as well as 10 power points. So alright. And then again, there's just a resource offer for coins, but try not to buy those if I don't have to. So, again, as of today, I have 1,496 XP doublers and 97,122 power points. So again, really the only thing coming up is the Mega Pig. And again, let me know if you guys are interested in any of the offers in the shop. Other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.